Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by validating prerequisites. Make sure the license matches Office Professional Plus 2016 and you are signed in as an administrator. Once done, disconnect VPN and temporarily disable antivirus because they commonly block setup components. This avoids network or file access conflicts. Next, run the Microsoft Fix-It or the dedicated Office uninstall/cleanup tool to remove residual files and registry entries from failed installs. Doing these steps first prevents the same error recurring when you start the new setup. Now proceed with the installation using a clean source. Prefer the original ISO or an offline installer to avoid corrupted downloads. Mount the image and run setup. EXE as administrator. If the installer offers repair, select it to fix missing components. While setup runs, monitor the progress and then review Windows installer logs and Office setup logs in %temp% to catch error codes such as 30015-4. These logs tell you which DLL or service failed, so you know what to target next. Finish by re-enabling antivirus and performing a full reboot. Then activate Office Professional Plus 2016 using your product key so licensing components register correctly. Once active, run Office Update to install security and stability patches, and open Word or Excel to confirm save and licensing behavior. If you still encounter errors, capture the exact error code from the log and run system file checker with sfc/scano to repair corrupted system files. This single trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.